Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Fortnite Reload on this desert map.
Goodbye.
I wonder how much people are here. Imagine getting killed right after spawn. I literally said, imagine getting killed off spawn and then I got killed. That's why you never fix it. Need to land on a good shotgun. Or shotgun. Okay. Here's that. Take the striker first. I'll take that. Buddy. I swear, if I get minis, it's gonna be really bad. If I get minis from this chest, I'm gonna rage. Thank you. I'll take the revolver. I don't like the revolver, but you know.
Goodbye.
Did Buddy? I killed him and then or he killed him. Okay. Yeah, I don't want the bears anymore. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, what's this gonna do? What's this gonna do? What's this gonna do? Buddy, come back here. Buddy, where are you? Oh no. Dang it! And I do like the take that kill. That was like oh, why am I not? Nope. Crap. I'm glad I retreated. You can kill me. Are you gonna come down? No, okay. Let's go get this. Get the ammo. I like how whenever you kill somebody, they automatically have minis, even though they don't have minis. They're like, if you kill them on spawn, they'll just have minutes. Oh no, oh no. I don't wanna die. Dang it!
No!
Dang it. Okay, guys, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed.